Hey, what is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Dogecoin and the entire crypto market, as we have seen a huge pump from yesterday as Trump announced a crypto reserve, and he actually named 5 coins. Now these 5 coins were Solana, XRP, ADA, and then a few hours later he also named Bitcoin and Ethereum. So very big news. But before we jump into all of that, I want to ask you guys to check out the Discord down below. We have been absolutely crushing inside of there. You can see on the screen right now just how many wins we're getting. It's absolutely insane. We hit a 900% trade over the weekend. We hit so many more trades as well. It's been an absolutely insane month so far, and it's just getting started. So yeah, make sure you join up so you don't miss out on any of those and you start making money with us. It'll be the first thing there. Now back to Dogecoin. So yeah, I mean, the entire market pumped. Obviously all the coins that he mentioned pumped multiples more. We had XRP, you can see, went from $2.15 all the way to nearly $3. Now it's slightly pulling back, obviously, as some people are going to be taking profits. The main negative we really have is that the announcement came at sort of a bad time. Obviously, you know, there's a lot of political issues in the world right now which is causing uncertainty in the market, and it's essentially causing the market to crash. And when the market is in that sort of crashing state with not a lot of buyers stepping in, volume dying down, and we get such a good announcement like that, obviously there's going to be a pump. Like, regardless of the market, there's always going to be a pump, but it's the follow-up that's affected. And usually if it's in a good market state, like previously when we saw, you know, for XRP for example with the SEC and Donald Trump, and Dogecoin it was the same with Elon Musk and Donald Trump. You know, it's a continuation. We don't just get a single pump and then a dump and then consolidate. We get consecutive pumps. It's right here from November during the election, you know, constant pumps. It was like 10-20% days every single day. That's what a bull market is really about. But this, for example, you know, we don't really want to see these large red candles. Instead, if you look back, you'll see it just continues to pump. So that's the one downside. Again, there's no reserve yet. It was just sort of announced, I suppose. I think, you know, maybe some sort of conspiracy going on there with the market dump, and then there was a few sort of sketchy longs as well with, you know, multi millions. So yeah, something sketchy definitely went on. But regardless, when the reserve does come, hopefully it does continue to pump. I don't want it to be a buy the rumor, sell the news sort of situation, but right now I don't think the market's fully priced that in. So yeah, still definitely good. You know, this is way larger than the Trump being elected. You know, the crypto reserve in the US would be absolutely huge. Probably trillions would flow into the market. Yeah, I think it'd be absolutely massive. So when that does happen, you know, not only should we see a pump from the retail investors, but we should also see a pump from the reserve investing. So yeah, once that happens, we will definitely see a pump across the board. The main good thing though on Bitcoin is, if you remember in the previous video, we talked about two things. Either we're going to slowly rise up and dump on Monday from 90,000, or we're going to pump up and break above and actually be able to reclaim this area here as a new support. So maybe we're going to come down and continue the rally onwards. That's what would be, you know, really good. If that does happen, mega we can easily go to 115. If not, you know, we're still going to be heading down to 75. Again, we're going to have to wait to see how the S&P opens today. Closed Friday in the green. How it opens today, again, will affect Bitcoin and the entire crypto market really massively. Ethereum, another coin, still trading below its, you know, highs and lows just during the start of February. Ethereum still trading below its sort of highs and lows from February. So yeah, still really underperforming the market. Still in a great place to actually buy. Other coins like Solana saw a nice pump up, you know, from 130 to 160ish. Started this support. A lot of these coins pumped through and now start supports, the ones that were a bit stronger. Polkadot at a resistance. So, you know, we're still quite in an iffy situation. We had major news, but nothing concrete yet, and that's why I think the market hasn't settled into the right position. Once the conflicts do end, you know, in politics, yeah, we'll definitely see a bigger rally and a continuation, because the main thing right now is the uncertainty in the crypto market. And although the stock market doesn't, you know, fully translate that, the crypto market definitely does. It's usually these risk on assets like Bitcoin. You know, crypto is a risk on asset. It's very new. It's not been here for many years like the S&P has, so it's classed as a risk on asset. And a lot of momentum stocks are also risk on assets, and they're also going to be dumping like this, if not more. So that's the main issue we have. Once that's resolved, again, we're going to see, you know, continuational pumps. We're going to see accumulations again, but nobody knows when that's going to get resolved. As for Dogecoin, we had accumulations here at 20 cents, got hit, you know, we're up like 10% now to 22. We were up, you know, 20% to 24 cents. Again, these dumps aren't looking too great. We also had the DCA level here at roughly 14-15 cents, so we're still prepared for the worst. We would have liked to see Dogecoin head to at least 27. You know, that would have been nice. Then we would have been able to predict more, you know, will we crash, will we continue? But again, we don't we're not able to control the market just yet. So yeah, it's we're gonna have to wait and see how the S&P opens. This is gonna be a major decider. You know, we have the S&P pre-market as well, or futures. So once that opens in like an hour or so, we'll also see Bitcoin slightly reflect the price, and that will translate to the entire, you know, crypto market. Other meme coins like Dog with Hat also saw a pump from like 5 cents to 7.5 cents. That's like 50%. Probably in a good position to short right now, in my opinion. This resistance level right here is mega, and it hasn't dumped off yet like these other meme coins. Sorry. So maybe there's some good shorts here. Maybe it's lagging behind. I doubt there was any specific news to Dog with Hat, so we'll probably look for some shorts there. Yeah, looks quite good. Other coins like HBAR, this was actually one of the only coins to have momentum. So if you remember a few videos ago, we talked about how the ETF, then we got a Swift partnership, then we had, you know, the Donald Trump thing, and that's the sort of effect. Like we pumped up, what was this, 60%? That's a real pump. You know, these 10-20% pumps aren't that real. This was a real pump, and again, we've been accumulating since 20 cents, since 18 cents. We're up great now, and all the people commenting in the videos like, oh, HBAR's not gonna pump, you know, whatever, they're the ones that are now down. They were selling at 20 cents, they were selling at 18 cents, and we are buying, and now we're the ones that are up. So yeah, other coins like XRP as well saw a good pump. This was what, 40%, not too bad. Obviously it was named by Donald Trump himself. If it's able to fall to 0.5 here and actually consolidate and rise again, great. If not, we're just going to continue to dump. Simple as that. Sui, same exact thing, just consolidating, you know, staying in this box, just quite unique to see. This entire box is great for accumulations. Although I wouldn't go all in, I'd still wait, and you know, in case we do continue to drop to like $2.17. Fetch, small pump as well, now just down slightly, still in a accumulation box. Render also still in our accumulation box. Polkadot, same thing, under $5, still great accumulations. AVAX, really slow mover. You know, I wouldn't even be looking to accumulate AVAX just yet. Solana sat under support, maybe potential for longs, but again, just depends on how the market is reacting. I wouldn't look for altcoin specific longs if the market is looking weak, so that's one thing to keep in mind. ETH forming okay. We got, obviously it was named just after, 16% pump, nothing major. Again, ETH is second largest crypto, the largest altcoin, so there's a lot more money that needs to be pumped into it in order for it to pump. 16% pump is quite large. Now it is obviously dumping 6% back into our accumulation zone. If we don't see any ETF inflows, I don't know why. You know, we saw a lot of outflows happen during this dump. A lot of inflows are happening when we were pumping, so either the hedgers like to buy high, sell low, or they know something we don't, or they're as oblivious as us, because you know, they were selling and a few days later we got the Trump announcement. So Bitcoin, as we talked about, if it's able to hold above 90 here, then yeah, we're going to continue. If not, we're going to go down to 75, and that'll be probably it until we get some more major news and, you know, the political stuff sort of quietens down. And that's practically it for today's video. If you did enjoy, please do make sure to like and subscribe. Again, we've been crushing it inside of the Discord, so if you want to crush it with us, if you want to start making money with us, then join up. It'll be the first link there. And if you need a place to buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrency for the lowest fees with the best sign up rewards, then check out all the exchanges we're working with down below. We'll leave a link to them there. When you use my links to sign up, you'll get some sign up bonuses and also some cheaper fees. So yeah, make sure you do all of that. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.